been chomping at the bit. I can see pink there, look at it. Oh, I'm gonna have to tear your little face though. I look at my nails, they match. Oh, it's that new scent, isn't it? Hi guys, so for today's video, I finally have the Hello Kitty collab to share with you guys. I was on holiday last week. I usually do order the collabs for next day delivery to share with you guys like ASAP. But I was on holiday, so I did feel it was a bit pointless me ordering it if I wasn't going to be home. And then when I was on holiday, Lush actually emailed me and said if I'd like to receive the collab, and of course I said yes. So it was just a matter of sort of waiting for that to come through the post. Usually we don't get emails or anything to let us know PR's coming. It just randomly turns up and is a lovely surprise. But this time we did get an email about it. So yeah, I was waiting on that. So that's why it's been a little bit longer. Honestly, I just want to say a massive thank you to Lush as well. When I get these parcels, it really makes my day. It makes me feel so happy and joyful, and it just fills me with happiness. So I'm so thank you. I'm so thankful. So thank you so much, Lush. I really, really do appreciate it. If you are new here, my name is Charlie. I do a lot of Lush videos. I do some fragrance videos, and I do some other ones slipped in there as well. We do like Lush spoilers, Lush kitchen spoilers, Lush collab spoilers, hauls, collab hauls, you name it, we do it. If it's Lush, we do it. So if that's something that interests you, then please feel free to subscribe. It would make me very happy. Please give the video a thumbs up and do leave me some comments as well. I love chatting with you guys. Let me know if you've got spit it out, Charlie. Let me know if you have got any of these products so far. Which one is your favourite? So we've got a big box here. Let's open it up and have a look. I'm very excited. I've been chomping at the bit. I've been wanting to sniff this stuff since it came out. I'm just so excited. I thought it was just a box, but it's I can see pink there, look at it. Oh my god, this is like what dreams are made of. I have been so excited for this collab. It's unreal. Like, it's like my childhood. It's an absolute dream. Oh my god, I'm gonna dig it out. It looks so cute. Look at this. That is just what dreams are made of. All the friends are on the side. Oh my gosh. The main gal herself. Oh, I'm gonna have to tear your little face though. That's so sad. Oh, I love this packaging. This packaging is totally a bit me. Oh, Lush is so clever, aren't they? Ugh, look what they've done. So they knew we'd have to tear her little face, so they've put her there as well. I'm probably going to be unbearable in this bit of video. I do apologise, guys, if I'm a bit obnoxious. Hello Kitty and friends there. Oh, it smells delicious. Little card. That's the little card. Open it up and it says about the products. And it says, life's sweeter with friends. Some friendships just hit the sweet spot, and this collaboration is no different. Together we've created the perfect recipe to bring you some seriously sweet handmade treats. Take the tea party to the tub with a limited edition collection of freshly made fizzers, sweet scents, and so much more. Ready to have your cake and wash with it too. Oh, I can't get over this packaging. Oh. Okay, the first thing I can see is the soap. Oh, I've got a bit of smushed bath bomb on it by the looks of it, oh dear. Hopefully it's all okay. This is the soap. Oh, I adore this. I wonder if they've hand cut these like in the factory, because I know in store they are hand cutting them. But I wonder if they've got moulds. Do they look cut? I don't know. Let's sniff it. Oh, I can smell it already. Bloody stunning. Angel's Delight scented, isn't it? Let me double check. It sure is. Angel's Delight scented, so tangerine and orange, and these retail for £8.50 each. Oh my god, I love Angel's Delight scent, honestly. It's so stunning. It's just the sweetest, fruitiest, most delicious smell. It is very orangey, but I don't know, I think the soap's tricking me out, but like with the looks of it, so it's giving me a little bit of strawberry as well. Oh, delightful. Ha. Angel's delightful. That is precious. It's extremely creamy as well. It's like melting in my hand, which is amazing. I look at my nails, they match. Gorgeous. Oh god, that's going straight in my soap dish. No messing about. Next up we have the Cinema Roll bath bomb. She is very cute. Large, quite large as well, which is nice. gorgeous. Crikey. Lost for words. That's tricking me out, man. This is Magic of Christmas scented. I can't remember what we had that was Magic of Christmas scented. I think someone did tell me in the spoilers video, but I forgot it already again. But this is stunning. I didn't think I liked Magic of Christmas, did I? I'm so confused. That is gorgeous. That is pure sweet, spicy cinnamon. Oh my goodness. That is divine. It's like a cinnamon cake. Cinnamon roll. This one retails for £6 each. I'm very excited to try this one out. I have been actively avoiding watching people's... There's hearts on me. There's hearts on my finger. Oh, it's off the soap. I was like, where have these hearts come from? I didn't realise there's hearts on the soap. Precious. Yes, I've been actively avoiding watching people's videos and I feel awful because obviously we like to support each other around here. But I didn't want to see what they look like in the bath. Like, I'm really excited to use them myself. Oh, she's got a bit of a smush cheek, this one, but never mind. Next one is the My Melody Bath Bomb. Very gorgeous. She's got a little bit of a smush cheek here, but that's absolutely fine. She's beautiful. What scent is she? I've got the spoilers up here just so I can give you the right info. She is American Cream scented and also £6 each. Nice, very nice. Like, American Cream is not my favourite scent. I'm sure you guys might know that, but I do like it nonetheless. It's just not like something I actively seek out to buy, but it is lovely. It is strawberryish, but I find it to be quite a perfumed strawberry, if that makes sense, as opposed to like a sweet sort of sickly strawberry. I think it's because when I first used it, it was in a conditioner bar, so it just reminds me of hair care a little bit, but it smells stunning nonetheless. She's very cute. We like her a lot. I can't wait for this. It's going to be the most gorgeous pink bath, that one. Next up, we've got the main girl herself. It's Hello Kitty. I'm so annoying. I'm so sorry. There she blows. There she is. Gorgeous. Just a white one. This bit here is actually a melt as well, so you'll have a little bit of added moisturisation to the bath, which is nice. Leave your skin feeling nice and soft. Very cute. I don't... Oh, it's that new scent, isn't it? Milky Bath mixed with Snow Fairy. Okay, I was concerned about this because Milky Bath is not my favourite scent at all. In fact, I quite dislike it. But I do love Snow Fairy. So, this is good, this is okay, this is nice. I'm relieved. Don't get me wrong, it does smell more like Milky Bath than it does of Snow Fairy, but I think the Snow Fairy is taking that edge off that I don't care for in Milky Bath. Milky Bath to me starts off smelling good and then it has something that just gets me that I don't like, but this, it's like a bit sweeter, so it's not giving me that hit of the scent that I don't care for, which is great. Oh, I'm happy! I was really worried about this scent, but I'm very happy. Delish! Oh, she's too freaking cute, man. Oh, that is a relief. It's almost just like a sweeter, tiny bit creamier Milky Bath scent. Very good. Very good, guys, very good. This one, I think this is my fave looks-wise. This is the Komi one. Worth noting, sorry, all of these bath bombs are £6 each, so that's nice that they're all the same price. She's cute, very cute. I like her a lot. Ooh, she's pink on the back. That's fun. I adore a black bath, so I'm very excited for this. What scent is that? She's Happy Blooming scented. I can't recall what else I've smelt that is Happy Blooming scented, but that's delicious. It's very creamy, vanilla-y, with a little something, but I can't put my finger on what that something is, but it's very creamy. It smells more edible than what I thought it would be. With the Happy Blooming name, I thought it might be a bit floral, because again, like I said, I can't actually remember what I've smelled that's Happy Blooming scented. That's really, really nice. They're all blooming delicious. Her little eyeball's running a little bit, but that's fine. Oh, she's got a little pink luster nose. Look at her little nose. Aha, we have one victim. So the next one is is it milk bottle? What's it called? Milk bottle bubble bar. This one's £9.50 each, a little bit on the pricey side, which I'm not too sure why. I don't think it's reusable. So the price throws me off slightly, but Candy Rain's ended. I love Candy Rain, so we'll give this a sniff. Let me see if I can find, aha, the broken portion. So my little straw has broken off by the looks of it. But that's fine, we don't mind. How does this go on? Oh, oh God. How does that even? I think it's meant to be like that, but it snapped off in the post, but that's absolutely fine. Still works the same. Oh, that's delicious. Candy Rain with me, I love the conditioner. We had, I think in a kitchen box a while ago, the candied one, the swirly bath bomb that was in there, that was Candy Rain scented as well, and I didn't care for that one all that much. I think I found it a bit too strong. But in different products, like I've said 1,000 million times on this channel, I find certain scents can smell different, and it smells really creamy and delicious in this. Oh, really, really good in this. Yeah, it literally just smells like a little bit creamier. Oh God, that's bloody delicious. Very cute though, pretty large, same size as my hand. Excited to try that. Then last up, we have the shower gel. Oh gosh, isn't that just too cute? I'm a sucker for anything like pink, sprinkly, like cakey looking. Do you know what I mean? I just love it. It's just so cute. Just a white number, this one. You're tricking me out, man. Okay, so this is also the Milky Bath and Snow Fairy combo. But in here it smells a little bit different. I'm going to put some on my hand because that smells like, to me, like milk bottle sweets. Let's give it a little squirt, shall we? Just a little white bit, a little white bit, a little white number. Ah, no, okay, I can smell it more now it's on my hand. You can, yeah, like I said, you can definitely smell that Milky Bath scent. Let's compare. More creamy in the shower gel than this, which I think is why it was tripping me out when I sniffed it out the bottle, because it did smell a bit like milk, the milk bottle jelly sweets you can get. And I mean, it does still a little bit to me actually. I don't know whether to get the perfume now because I don't want to miss out. The bottle on the perfume and the box itself that it comes in is stunning. It's literally like this label on the perfume, and the box is just everything, but I don't know if I should or not, because I like the scent, I do, but it's not, I can still smell a bit of the Milky Bath, but it's sweeter and nicer than what original Milky Bath is to me. But I don't know how much I'd wear it. Should I get the perfume? Oh, I don't know, I'll have to have a think about it. This has made me so happy, like, oh. Fantastic collab Lush, I love all of it. Surprisingly, I think one of my faves is this. It's bloody gorgeous, and Komi, cinnamon roll and Komi, and the soap. Oh fuck, I love all of it. What, who am I kidding? It's all bloody gorgeous. This is really good though. This is really, really good. I might have to get a couple more of them. That's really good. It's like a cinnamon cakey pastry. It's just delicious. Thank you so much again, Lush. I love you guys. You are so sweet, so kind, so generous. And I love nothing more than unboxing these wonderful things that you send my way. And it's a pinch me moment every time one comes through the post, I'm not going to lie. I just squeal with joy, run up the stairs as fast as I can, because I'm just so excited to open it and share it with you guys. Thank you guys for watching as well. Like I said, please do let me know what your favourite out of this collab was. I'm loving it all. I think it's fantastic. I'm not going to lie. It's a very cutesy vibe that I think this is my favourite Lush collab so far. I did enjoy Shrek. Complete opposite end of the spectrum, isn't it? But I did enjoy Shrek, but I think, yeah, I think this is my favourite. It's just too cute. Too cute. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a fab day. I love you all so very much. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Oh, I didn't say happy Easter. It's Good Friday, isn't it? Happy Easter to anyone who celebrates Easter. And yeah, love you all. Bye.